The history of industrial development is the history of machines helping human production. From reducing labor to relieving mental work, robots are becoming indispensable in the intelligent manufacturing era. Deeply rooted in industrial automation for 20 years, Inoban스 regards innovation as the key to its entire robot family. Constant high-percentage investment in independently designing core technologies, time-optimal trajectory planning, auto-tuning vibration suppression, offline simulation. From servo to vision, from spline to screw, from motor to drive and control integrated electric cabinet, all the key parts of robots are self-developed. Equipped with the agent test platform, Inoban스 robots achieve the MTBF of over 100,000 hours, with higher speed, greater consistency and stability, longer durability performance. Robot savvy and customer needs savvier. Reach full scenario applications across the manufacturing industry. Profound know-how and whole process technical support make Inoban스 a model of industry cooperation. Continuous transformation fosters Inoban스 quality of double safety and zero defect during the whole process and life cycle. Productivity tool as well as the best co-creation partner for you. Every year, tens of thousands of Inoban스 robots work side by side with the manufacturing industry. Inoban스 robots inspire infinite ideas of intelligent upgrading.